Introducing the 2022 Hyundai Kona Kauai, 5-door auto in stylish black, with a powerful 1.6-litre engine. This top-of-the-line vehicle is loaded with comfort and safety features, including air conditioning, Bluetooth phone, parking assistance, and lane departure warning. The sleek interior boasts luxury trim, cup holders, and more. With ABS, multiple airbags, and anti-collision system, you can feel secure on the road. This Hyundai also comes with a powertrain warranty and self-driving capabilities. Don't miss out on this amazing vehicle. Fully serviced and inspected, it's ready for you to drive away with peace of mind. Visit kevinoleary.ie or call us today for more information.